Huwag kang mag-i-invest sa stock market kung hindi mo pa ginagawa ang tatlong bagay na to. Number one is, study the stock market.
What? Duh.
Seriously, this may sound obvious, pero ito yung kadalasang hindi ginagawa. But instead, ang gagawin, mag-i-invest muna. Then, pag nalugi, tsaka pag-aaralan. Sounds familiar? Because stock investing, just like any business or investments, dapat klaro muna sa'yo kung ano yung pinapasukan mo, as well as alamin ng maayos kung ano yung mga pros and cons nito. And to the very least, dapat kaya mong sagutin ang mga basic questions tulad ng ano ang mga risks ng stock investing? Paano ko ba mamomonitor ito? Ano ang mga fees na kailangang bayaran? Tugma ba to sa financial goals ko? Wait lang, kailan ba may financial goals? Kaya ako, ano financial goals ko? And others. All this is to make sure that you're confidently entering an investment that you fully understand. The second thing na dapat gawin is to have an emergency fund. And to be specific, an emergency fund is cash or good as cash of around 6 to 12 months worth of your monthly expenses. The purpose of this is to act as a buffer or backup and prevent you from selling your stock investments in case na biglang mangailangan ka ng pera for various reasons. Alam mo naman ang buhay minsan. And actually, you can gradually build your emergency fund while you're getting to know the stock market. And once meron ka ng emergency fund, the third thing is to allocate your investment fund. This means magtatabi ka lang ng fixed amount from your regular income, and this can range from 5 to 10% of it, depending on your situation. Ha? Bakit 5 to 10% lang? Parang ang konti. Because instead of allocating too much, and eventually, hindi mo na masustain dahil hindi mo na nami-meet ang ibang financial obligations mo, it should be, relax lang at di ka nahihirapan. And more importantly, nakakapag-allocate ka pa and invest consistently.